Hey there, everyone. In today's video, I want to walk through two new SEO tools that I built using Streamlit. The first one is a meetings notes organizer tool. And so the purpose of this is, well, at least for me personally, when I'm in various meetings throughout the day, I'll typically create or write down either a bunch of notes that are very unstructured or kind of quick jot down points in a sticky note where it's not super comprehensive. And the challenge for me is just going back through and cleaning up what I wrote down to then reference at a later date to where it makes sense. And so this tool, you can take your meeting notes and either copy them individually or you can upload multiple files via a Word document and then bulk process them. And this basically ports in your notes via OpenAI's GPT-4o mini model. And you can specify either the granularity of detail, so either just having a very high level summary of the notes that you took, a more standard detail, or comprehensive details. And so what you'll do is you'll just copy and paste your notes or upload your files, process, and then here is what the output looks like, where it'll structure it based on a title, an H1, a quick summary, depending on what you specified for your level of detail, who attended the meeting, and then other just key points discussed. So this is just a quick boilerplate template that I mocked up for notes. It talks about current SEO performance, resourcing challenges, initiatives, action items, and who is responsible for what. So overall, just a really helpful time-saving feature to reduce the amount of admin work that I'm doing each week. One caveat to make is these outputs are really as detailed or good as your notes are. So if you have really bad notes, then it can't really do much with that. So the more granular or the better information that you feed or pass along to OpenAI to summarize, the better. The other time saving tool that I built is this SEO JIRA ticket generator tool. And so what this does is, again, leverages OpenAI, and you can specify a title for your ticket, a quick 1 to 2 sentence blurb about what the purpose is, and then giving some background context, again, 1 to 2, maybe 3 sentences at the most, and then denoting the urgency of high, medium, low, or critical. And so what this does is it will pull from various prompts via this Python script, and it really outputs back the purpose of the work, additional expansion on the background, what your definition of done criteria are, specifying a user persona, any stakeholders or dependencies, OKRs or goals for the work, alongside impact, and then just a quick idea of what the anticipated workflow will look like. And again, a lot of this may need to be tweaked or modified just based on you're obviously the expert on the work that you're doing. So if you need to input differences as far as the anticipated workflow goes, or you have specific goals or OKRs that you have in mind or stakeholders, there's just some adjustment that's required there. But it's really useful just getting a like 70% finished draft of what this could look like and then tweaking rather than manually writing this by hand. So again, this is specific for search engine optimization, or that's what the prompt is for. But overall, I'm pretty happy with what that output looks like, where you can see the purpose, the background, giving 5 bullet points or definition of done, a quick insight for the user persona, who should be involved, a made up number for what the goals are for this work, and then that anticipated workflow of how this work will be done from start to finish with estimated timing for each of these items. And then from there, you can just copy and paste via the clipboard here, or you could technically download it as a Word document if you wanted to do it that way as well. But hopefully you find these tools to be helpful and that they save you some modicum of time as you leverage them in your day-to-day admin or your week-to-week admin. And I will see you all in the next video.